巨大爆炸声响起，手机被炸到焦黑。这是2011年的影片，最近却在中国网络流窜，声称这是苹果手机能被远端引爆的证据。CNN 记者直接找到影片作者，现场辟谣。
You can't just make an iPhone blow up like that without putting explosives in it.
原来当年他做实验时，将 iPhone 连接了高压设备。
To make that little iPhone blow up, we had to have a power supply that was bigger than a refrigerator and weighs about half a ton.
即便苹果中国官方也出面澄清，但谣言满天飞，且丝毫不受中国强大的网络审查影响。有网友开始带风向，建议想保命就用中国品牌，但 iPhone 主要也是在中国组装的。
Any phone with a chip is insecure. You can blow somebody up if you can put in a detonator, an explosive.
专家表示，没有证据显示手机正在被当成武器，即便有，也不会仅限 iPhone， 最多就是电池过热着火。
Especially in China, where one construction company has already banned iPhones at work, saying employees could be fired if they bring an iPhone, even offering vouchers to buy a Chinese-made alternative.
珍珠党呼叫器爆炸之后，苹果却沦为谣言苦主。经过多方澄清，手机手榴弹的假讯息可别再乱传。三立新闻上报道。